Tired of traditional banks holding you back? Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Trading Critique. In today's world, the financial landscape is rapidly changing. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is emerging as a powerful alternative to traditional financial systems. Ondo Finance is a leading DeFi platform that offers innovative financial services, empowering individuals to take control of their money. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Ondo Finance. What exactly is Ondo Finance? Ondo Finance is a leading DeFi platform that aims to democratize finance by providing innovative financial services to everyone. Unlike traditional banks, which often have high fees and complex processes, Ondo Finance offers a more accessible and user-friendly experience. One of the core features of Ondo Finance is lending. Users can deposit their crypto assets onto the platform and earn interest on their holdings. In addition to lending, Ondo Finance also offers borrowing services. Users can borrow against their crypto assets, providing them with liquidity without having to sell their assets. Yield farming is a popular DeFi strategy that involves providing liquidity to various DeFi protocols in exchange for rewards. Ondo Finance offers opportunities for yield farming through its liquidity pools. Ondo Finance has a governance token that allows users to participate in the decision-making process for the platform. Now, let's look into the benefits of Ondo Finance. One of the primary benefits of using Ondo Finance is the potential for higher returns compared to traditional financial products. Due to the decentralized nature of DeFi, Ondo Finance can often offer more competitive interest rates on lending and borrowing. Ondo Finance empowers users with greater control over their finances. Unlike traditional banks, which can impose restrictions or fees, Ondo Finance offers users more flexibility and autonomy. Ondo Finance is accessible to a wider range of users, regardless of their geographic location. The decentralized nature of the platform means that anyone with an internet connection can access its services. To get started with Ondo Finance, you'll need to create an account on the platform. This typically involves providing some basic information and verifying your identity. Once your account is created, you'll be able to access the various features of the platform. To start using Ondo Finance's services, you'll need to deposit crypto assets into your account. The platform supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. The deposit process is usually straightforward and involves sending funds from your personal wallet to the designated address provided by Ondo Finance. While the general risks associated with DeFi platforms apply to Ondo Finance, there are some specific risks to consider. As a DeFi platform, Ondo Finance relies heavily on smart contracts. If there are vulnerabilities in these contracts, it could lead to security breaches, such as hacks or exploits. This could result in financial losses for users. Ondo Finance may rely on oracles to provide real-world data, such as price feeds. If the oracles are manipulated or provide inaccurate data, it could lead to incorrect valuations and financial losses. It's important to be aware of these specific risks and to conduct thorough research before using Ondo Finance or any other DeFi platform. In this video, we've explored the world of Ondo Finance, a leading decentralized finance platform that offers innovative financial services. We've discussed its key features, such as lending, borrowing, and yield farming, and highlighted the benefits of using this platform, including high returns, greater control, and accessibility. If you're looking for a way to take control of your finances and potentially earn higher returns, Ondo Finance is worth considering. Want to stay updated on the latest crypto trends and insights? Hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to never miss an episode. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!